Good morning, how are you?
We are excellent.
How do you feel?
We feel much better.
How do you feel?
We feel much better.
How was your night?
The night was
The night was
good.
good?
Yes.
The night was good?
Oh,
Me too, it was so amazing. Sit down.
yes.
Today we are on Thursday. Thursday. Are we on which date? Six. Which month? February. Which year? 2020? 2025. Stand up with the special claps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 25.
25. Your arms up. Lateral. In the front. Down. Hurry up. Arms up. Lateral. In the front. Down. Touch on your head. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Mouth. Cheeks. Chin. Shoulder. Trunk. Waist. Shake your waist. Shake your waist. Shake your waist. Shake your waist. Touch on your head. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Mouth. Teeth. Tongue. Cheeks. Shoulder. Trunk. Waist. Buttocks. Knees. Then have a seat. Welcome. Close your arms. Close your arms. Yesterday we have seen letter N. Yes? We have seen letter N. We have seen letter N. Letter N. Who can come and write for me letter N? Who can come? No one? Who can come? Who can come? Davina, come and write for me letter N here. Come by learning. Write for me a letter N. Write. This is capital letter N. Write even small. Clap for Davina once. Clap once. Clap once. Clap once. Thank you so much. How many vowels do we have? How many? Who can tell me the one vowel do we have? Who can tell me? Who can tell me one vowel do we have? This part where you can tell me one vowel do we have? Kari, Gawai song. A. Clap once. Another vowel do we have? Reni. I. Clap for Reni. Eyes. Another vowel do we have? Isheja. You. Clap once. Another vowel we have? Rihanna. E. Clap once. Another. Which is remaining? Kezabella. Oh, clap once. Clap for Bella. Observe well here. Observe well. After observing, I will ask you what you have seen. Yes?
Yes.
Have you observed well? Have you observed well?
Yes.
Yes, Joanna.
Yes.
Have you observed well?
Yes.
This table, have you observed well?
Yes.
Here, have you observed well? You too? Have you observed well? Okay, clap for me. Clap for me. Once, clap for me. Clap for me. Clap for me. Clap for me. Clap, I do the same another day. Yes, I will do the same another day. Another day I will prepare for you. Clap yourself. Okay, who can tell me which letter is this? Who knows this letter? Who knows? Who knows? No one. Obed. Letter P. Clap once. Thank you so much. May I stick on chalkboard? May I write on? Yes. Letter? Letter? P. Letter? P. Letter what? P. Letter P. Letter P. Have I written well? Yes. Yes? No. Bad handwriting? No. Good handwriting? Wow. P. Okay. We have capital, even small letter P. Capital letter P. Look how we write capital letter P. Hope that everyone is looking here on chalkboard. Yes? Okay. Capital letter P. Letter P. Capital. This is the capital letter P. Yes? Small. Write small letter P. Like this. Clap for me. Clap for me. These are for vowels without its sound. With A, I, U, E, O. But they have its own sounds. Yes? Yes. Yes. Who can tell me the sound of A? Sound of A is it? Sound of A is it? Sound of A is it? Sound of I? E. Sound of I? E. Sound of you? U. Sound of you? U. Sound of E? A. This is it? Sound A. O is remain to be O. This is the letter P. Yes? Yes. This is the letter P. This is the letter P. And the sound of letter P is the pa. Repeat pa. 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 Raise up your voice. Okay, repeat again the sound of P. Pa. Come back to here. Please, may you clap for me? Clap for me. Observe well to this chart. Yes? Observe well this small chart. Which color is this? Pink. This is it? Pink. Pink. Yes, this is it? Pink. Pink. Observe well this syllable which is here. Come back to here. Without talking. Have you observed or even here? Keep quiet. Even this. Keep quiet. Clap for me. Clap for me. What have you seen on this small chart? What have you observed from here? P and the I. Another? Another? P and E. Another? Another? Clap yourself. Myself? It's yours. Follow here again. You have observed the P, A, P, I, P, U, P, E, P, O. Yes? Yes. Yes. And we are going to see how we get that. How we get P, A, P, I, P, U, P, E, P, O. Yes. You get that when you combine together this letter P with its vowels. Yes? Yes. Yes? Yes. Here I'm going to join with the A. Do you see? And I join with the I. Do you see? And I join with the U. Yes? And I join with the E. And I join again with the O. Clap for me. After this, you will combine together this letter P, yes? With A. After combining it together, you will have pa. Repeat pa. You will have what? Pa. You will have pa. Because this letter P with these vowels, A with its sound A. If you are reading syllables, yes? If you are reading syllables, you consider on the sound of each letter or each vowels. Yes? Because we have letter A here with its sound A, you read what? Pa, 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 pa. Observe here. Do you see this? Do you see this? Pa, no? No. Listen, you are speaking vernacular. Observe well. How do you call this? Pan. Pan, not pan. 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 Repeat after me. Pan. 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 This is the pan. 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 You know how to write pan? You know how to write pan? You will start with this C. Syllable pa. You add here N. Cost is the pan. Go to I. I is for sounding E. Yes? Yes. I sounding E. Combine it together, letter P with the I. I sound E. You read the P. Repeat from P. 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 We are using it small letter P. Go to you. Sounding? Sounding? Oh. Listen to me to how we read the P with the vowel U. Not like that. Pull, 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 pull. You not pull? Pull, 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 pull. Come back here. To P and E. This is E sound A. Means you read what? P, 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 P. Pen, 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 pen. Right. Pen, pen. Rihanna light. Pen, pen. Provis light. Pen, 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 pen. Pencil, pencil. We have what you call pen. Then here, to P and O, you have what we call po. 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 Put something down. Po. Po. Stop by there. Stop by there. Guys, clap for me. How am I going to hug this? We have seen that the way we get syllable letter P. Yes, see? We get syllable letter P. When we join it together, this letter P with the sound pa with its vowels. How many vowels do we have? 5 vowels. Don't get confusion to differentiate between sound and letter even vowels. Yes? Each vowel has its own sound. Even this letter P has its own sound called pa. Observe very here. Here we will read what? Like how? Pa. 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 Here. P. Listen to here. P and U. Come back to here. To P and E. Pen. 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 Write with your pen. 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 Repeat after me. Pen. 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 Bravo. Thank you so much. Come back to P and O, my dear. P and O is for pot. Beat something down. Stop. Stop. Paw. Paw. This part only. Paw. 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 Subject to here. Paw. 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 Here. Paw. Paw. All of you. Paw. 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 All of you know this vegetable. Do you know? Yes, this is papaya. Who can read? Let's go. Let's read it together. Papaya.
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 Are you getting the sound of P and A? Papaya. 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 Come back at here to P. Which color is this? This is the pink color. Yes? Pink. 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 Pull. 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 If you are cooking chips, you may use this pan. 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 This part you are not here. Pan. 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 And you know we use this pan for cooking. For cooking, yes? Pan. 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 Clap yourself. Look at here. We are on this syllable, yes? Pillow. Pillow. When you are going to sleep, pillow. Pillow. Sleep with your pillow. Pillow. Sleep with your pillow. 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 Pull. 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 Pen. 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 Okay. All of you are going to have this small chart. Each table. You will start where I told you to start. Hope each and every table has these small charts. Yes? Each. Do you have? Touch on it. Touch on it and get to what I'm going to tell you. If you will perform well, I will give you this. We will go at home with this if you perform well. If you perform well, I will give you. For sure, I'm not lying. I will give you this if you perform well. Listen to me. We have seen the syllable pa. All of you touch on pa. Pa. Papaya. Papaya. Pan. Pa. 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 Papaya. What is papaya? Laba. Look there. Papaya. Pa. Are you on pa? Pa. 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 To here. To here. Here. Where is the pa? Yo. Say pa. Pa. You go to P and you pull. 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 Touch on pull. 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 You see. Pull. 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 Good or bad. Take a chance, my dear. Take a chance. Pull. 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 Are you on pull? Pull. 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 You pull like this. Pull. 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 Means I'm pulling les pons, yes? Pull. 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 Okay, you go on pen. 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 Okay, be on pot. Pot. Po. 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 Stop by there. Sit all of you well in your place. Be humble. Behave well, my dear friend. First word you have papaya. The second is the pen. The third is the pot. Yes? Then we are going to see syllables. Have you seen well? First one is the papaya. The second one is the penny. Another one is the pot. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? This is how we divide syllables. Follow here. Here we have papaya. Papaya. Look at here. Pa-pa-ya. Pa-pa-ya. Pa-pa. How many syllables? 3. How many? 3. Pa-pa-ya. How many syllables? 3. Pa-pa-ya. Pa-pa-ya. Pa-pa. How many syllables made this word papaya? 3. How many? 3. How many? 3. Go to pink. 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 How many? 2. 2 syllables. Go to pull. 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 How many? 2. How many? 2. Go to pen. 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 How many? 2. How many? 2. Go to pot. 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 Look here. Is what we have. Papaya, 3 syllables. Pen, 2 syllables. Pot, 2 syllables. Yes? Next time we will have another letter. Yes? After that we will see how we divide the syllables according to the given words. Clap yourself. Clap yourself, Shedi. You have done a great job. Clap yourself.